Cristiada. Released 2012, directed by Dean Wright. Tombstone. Released 1993, directed by Kevin Jar, George P. Cosmatos. Alexander. Released 2004, directed by Oliver Stone, Wilhelm Sasnal, Anka Sasnal Moore Alexander 504 of 541. The Greatest Guilty Pleasure Movies 4 of 12. The 12 Most Inaccurate War Movies Ever Made 339 of 340. The Best Political Films Ever Made. Conspiracy. Released 2001, directed by Frank Pearson. JFK. Released 1991, directed by Oliver Stone Moore JFK 822 of 1540. The Most Rewatchable Movies 252 of 372. Old movies every young person needs to watch in their lifetime.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.